Welcome back, viewers. Now, as we wait for the SEC to hold a meeting over the intranasal vaccine of Bharat Biotech, there is a very interesting study that has come in. It has been conducted at a Hyderabad hospital by a group of researchers in tandem. This study sought to check whether a mix and match of vaccines would have a more potent response. So it conducted a study and it found that if you were to mix Covishield and Covaxin, one dose of Covishield, one dose of Covaxin in any order, not only is it safe, but also the study found that the antibody response that you get is 4 times higher than normal. So it is saying that this study finds that if you were to take Covishield in one dose, Covaxin in another dose, the two predominant Indian vaccines in any order, then the antibody response is particularly high among the antibodies that kill the spike protein. The spike protein, we have learned, is the aspect of the virus that is infective. So the spike protein latches on and it causes the infection. But if you were to take mix and match of doses, this is not allowed at the moment and no one is doing it, but the study sought to find its effectiveness and it found that the antibody response that it provoked was far higher. Now this is coming at a time when people are trying to ascertain what is the correct booster dose to give, the preventive dose, the third dose. This is the discussion that is going on at the moment. The reason Bharat Biotech's intranasal vaccine, that is BBB 154, is in the limelight is because there is a thought that the new Omicron variant, which is behind a lot of the fear over the new spike in COVID, that variant doesn't necessarily reach the lungs. And if you were to use an intranasal vaccine against it, it would provide a localized response as well as a systemic response. So as the time is progressing, as the COVID infection and pandemic is evolving, there is a further into the vaccines itself. Now they're concerning them, or they're trying them out in various combinations, and these are some of the results they're finding. One last result that was found in the study that we were speaking about was that out of the 330 people who were a part of the study, 330 unvaccinated people, 87% of them showed seropositivity. That means without the vaccine, they had antibodies against COVID-19. And the study put this down to the Delta wave that India experienced last year. So there is a certain amount of seropositivity, certain amount of antibody and certain amount of protection against COVID that Indians have developed, the larger population appears to have developed. This added to the vaccine dose is what is behind keeping some of the numbers low at this moment. But there's a very interesting study that has come in that a mix and match of Covishield and Covaxin could have a higher response. The details of the study have been shared with the ICMR for their own research purposes. The big decision is to be taken on December or January the 10th. We'll find out more about preventive doses also. So stay tuned to Republic and Republic World. You can read all about this study there, and stay tuned as we get you all about the Bharat Biotech intranasal vaccine as well.